What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tyler Trees. I'm back with another video. In today's video, I am going to try out these retractable pencils. So let me show you what I got. Let me just show you what I got. So I got the one in Toupe. This is the Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil. It was like $3 at Walmart, which is why I got it, and it has nice product. But do you see that? Like, this is not my color, I don't think. So I'm gonna use something else. I'm gonna use, so I got these are the same ones from Walmart. They're the retractable pencils, but this one is where is it? Okay, so on the Walmart website, there wasn't an option for you to just get one. So I got this 3-pack. And it was like $15, which isn't bad for 3, especially if it's my color. So I'm gonna wipe off the Toupe, and I'm going to use this one. What is the, where is the, oh, here it is, it's at the top. So this is medium brown, and the last one I had was Toupe, which I don't think was given. So yeah, it already has a spoolie. So this is the medium brown, and it already has a spoolie, so I don't really need it. So yeah, like the spoolie is nice and thick, you know. So I'm just gonna brush my eyebrows up, and I don't really necessarily, are my eyebrows wet? Okay, so I don't necessarily need to do too much with my eyebrows. I never really did. All I do is pretty much like outline, and I do the end. Like I'll do like the, you know, the tail of my brow. See, this looks like more of my shade. Okay, I need a mirror. I'm still like, you know, learning how to do my eyebrows. Okay, so I like this better because it, do you see the difference? Like, definitely like this one better, and it's closer to my brow shade, and I don't really have to do too much. Like, that's literally all I pretty much need, and I like that, you know. I'm left-handed, so if that's, yeah. But literally, like, I don't really like doing too much with my eyebrows. I like for them to look, you know, filled in, but not dramatic, you know? Like I'm trying too hard. Did that make sense? Because I already have naturally thick eyebrows. These are gonna last me like some time. I like the triangle because I can just like angle my, I can literally just like angle my hand and just like let it fall. And then I'm gonna do some hairs, but I'm going very light with it because I don't want to do too much. Okay, I like that. It looks really, really natural. Not using too much products. I really like it. Sometimes I have to remember that my eyebrows are not my eyebrows are not twins, you know. So now I'm gonna take my concealer and conceal. This is, I've had this for a minute. I don't even know what it is anymore. I think it's like toffee or something. Sometimes I leave my eyebrows like this. It really depends on how I'm feeling. I do want to try a new concealer too. I want to try the one from Tarte. I just want to try a better concealer. I'm trying to squeeze the product without like making it splat everywhere. Okay, yeah, that looks a lot better. I like it. Like I said, my eyebrows are naturally like thick, so I really don't need to do too much with my eyebrows, you know? I'm loving it. See, I be pulling out too much. That's why I need one of those concealers with the stick, so I can just like, so I don't be getting too much, you know? I like this. I'm feeling it. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my beauty blender. Or do I have any? No, I don't. Just gonna take my beauty blender and blend. And boom, that's typically how I do my eyebrows. They look so nice and full, and I didn't do too much. I am loving this for me, and I like this pencil too. It was only $3, but like I said, I got like a 3-pack, so it was like 15. But yeah, these are the retractable pencils from Wet n Wild. This is what they look like outside of the pack. Just make sure you get like your color, and yeah, you'll be good. Like, look at all that product. that's a lot for $3, and I got 3, so I got the 3-pack. So yeah, Wet n Wild retractable pencils for the win. And if you are like my tone, make sure you get medium brown instead of, don't get toupe. Literally, like, okay, I'm not even gonna do it. I'm not gonna do too much. So yeah, y'all, that's my brow routine. That's what I do. Very, very minimal. And yeah, I can even like wipe the excess off. These are my eyebrows. So yeah, y'all, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kyla Trees. Make sure you follow me on TikTok. My TikTok is Kyla Trees. And I'll see you on my next video. Peace.